Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Shobhik from Shobhik's Bank. Today I will discuss the enzyme inhibition procedure. So we have to know at first what is this. So the first steps are, at first enzyme binds with substrate and then reversible reaction, and the enzyme substrate complex has been formed and then it is dissociated and form enzyme and product. Enzyme, this is the normal procedure of enzyme and substrate binding, and in enzyme inhibition are formed mainly two procedures. Number one, reversible inhibition, and number two, irreversible inhibition. In case of reversible inhibition, enzymes normally bind and somehow they may not be detached from it. The binding will be permanent. But in case of irreversible binding, the binding is not permanent. The covalent bonds are formed between the enzyme and substrate, and after that it will be detached from that. So this is the normal general scheme of enzyme and substrate binding procedure. So first, what happened? Enzyme inhibition are processed mainly three steps. The three formed are: number one is competitive inhibition, number two non-competitive inhibition, and number three uncompetitive inhibition. Okay, so now at first we are talking about competitive inhibition. What is formed in case of competitive inhibition? At first, the normal graph we have seen from there, we have seen this is the if we draw the line over bar plot, we can see this is the 1 by S substrate concentration is going to the number x is in number x axis, 1 by V in number 1 by V in y axis, and the graph is like this. This is minus 1 by km, and this is, which in x-axis it will be called minus 1 by km. The km means the Michaelis-Menten constant, and in y-axis is crossed here 1 by Vmax is crossed in y-axis. Okay. Now in case of competitive inhibition procedure, competitive inhibition means there is a competition somehow in the name. The inhibitor always try to compete with substrate for the binding site of an enzyme. Inhibitor try to bind with the enzyme, they try to bind with the enzyme and compete with the substrate, and after that they try to bind with the enzyme and form enzyme inhibitor complex. This is the constant. Ki will be the rate constant. So Ki. In this graph, the graph will become like this, and this is the minus 1 by Km dash. So in case of competitive inhibition, the Km value which came from here, what will be the change in Km value in case of competitive inhibition? So here 1 by Km value decreased. Okay, 1 by Km value decreased because 1 by Km at first there, after that the 1 by Km value reached there. So 1 by Km value decreased, so Km value increased. Km value increased and the 1 by Vmax value remain unchanged in competitive inhibition. Okay, this is the competitive inhibition and this is the curve of competitive inhibition procedure. Next is non-competitive inhibition. In case of non-competitive inhibition, actually there is no competition. Inhibitor may bind with enzyme and form enzyme inhibitor complex, and also inhibitor can bind the enzyme substrate complex and form enzyme substrate inhibitor complex, and this will be the constant, rate constant. So both may can happen because there is no competition in case of non-competitive. The name is non-competitive, so there is no competition. The inhibitor can bind with enzyme and also the inhibitor can bind with enzyme substrate complex. They never try to compete with the substrate like non-competitive inhibition. So this will be can form, and the graph will be like this in case of non-competitive inhibition. Here 1 by Km remain unchanged and 1 by Vmax value become this. So 1 by Vmax become increase because at first 1 by Vmax value was here and after that 1 by Vmax value reached here. Sir, 1 by Vmax value has been increased, so Vmax value has been decreased. So in case of non-competitive inhibition, X value became decrease. Okay, 1 by Vmax value became increased and Vmax value became decreased here. Okay, this is non-competitive inhibition and this is the graph of this, and the last one is uncompetitive inhibition. So what happened in case of uncompetitive inhibition? Okay, let's see. Okay, uncompetitive inhibition, inhibitor always bind with the enzyme substrate complex and form this, and the graph will be like this, and this is the minus 1 by Km dash and this is 1 by Vmax dash. So in case of uncompetitive inhibition, 1 by Km value reached here to here. So 1 by Km value has been increased. 1 by Km value has been increased from here to here, and the Km value become decreased. Okay, if 1 by Km become increased, so generally Km value will be decreased. So 1 by here non-competitive inhibition, 1 by Km value has been increased from here to here. So Km value became decreased and 1 by Vmax become increased. So the Vmax value has been decreased. Okay? So this is the normal briefly idea of enzyme inhibition procedure. Okay, that's it. If you have any doubt, you can mail me in my mail ID. So that's it. For getting new videos, hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thank you.